Okay, so hello everyone. We are going to solve the first question, that is the easiest question from the lead code, whose name is build array from permutation, as it have a highest submission rate from the easiest one. So I think that it will be understandable to you. Let's understand the problem. So here the question says you have a given zero based permutation nums of zero index, and here you can see that in the code section the nums is a vector in type. So what do you mean by vector? Basically vector is a dynamic array that supports many kinds of inbuilt functions like pushback function for insertion or popback function for deletion. I hate many kind of operation. You can study about the STL. You will get a lot to know about the vector. Now moving forward to the question, what we have to do? We have to build an array answer of the same length of the nums array, where the answer of I will be equals to the nums of I, where the value of I is between 0 to nums dot length. And what does it mean? That means that the value of I is between 0 to nums dot length minus 1. Now, what is the nums of length determine? The length nums dot length here determines the size of the num. What do you mean by size of the num? Let's count it up. So here the size of the nums is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So from the here you can see that it from 0 to 6 minus 1. So that means the value of the elements in the nums array will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and it will area in any kind of addition. So what we have to do? We have to perform this in our answer vector. So what do you mean by nums of I? So let's check it out. Here is the nums of I. So what will be nums of I? It is the nums of I 0. Now again nums of 0 will be 0. So here the answer will be 0 here. Now the here the nums of I is 2. Now what is the nums of 2? Nums of 2 is 1. So here the answer will be 1. Now moving forward we have nums of I is 1. Now what is the nums of I? It's 1. Nums of 1 is 2. So here the answer of I is 2. Okay, we will move forward like this and we will get our code in the C++ language. We have already seen what the question says. For this we can see that here the return type is vector. So we have to make a vector first. Now we are making the vector of integer data type of name answer. Now what we have to do? We have to just iterate over the nums vector. That we can iterate over it like this thing. Num dot size gives the length of the nums, and just I have to push back the value of nums of I here like this. Nums of I is given that, and now we have to just return the answer vector. Let's see it will run or not. Yeah, boom guys, it's run. Let's submit it. Here you can see that we have accepted in the CPP language the date time. So hope you guys enjoyed this.